Hello and welcome to this subject of functional grammar. Today we are going to talk about relation between phonology and grammar. Halliday's Introduction to Functional Grammar is our reference book for a study of this subject. We can divide phonology into the two regions of the first one is articulation, the second one is prosody. Let's talk about articulation first. An act of speaking clearly. Articulation is also about careful emphasis on each syllable of a word. Articulation is arbitrary, that is to say, conventional. No systematic relation between sound and meaning. Then we talk about prosody. The first point is it is related to the rhythm and intonation. Forms the stress patterns within words and phrases. Arise and fall in a speaker's voice. Prosody is natural as those of tempo, pitch, and loudness in a speech. Thank you and goodbye.